Why cut samples click? As you can see, we cut an 808 and for some reason it's clicking. Let me explain why. It has a lot to do with our diagram over here. So for those who don't know, when you see an audio waveform, if there's only a straight line going through the middle, that represents silence. And the waveforms going up and down means the speakers are moving, and how high is the volume. To understand why this happens, first you have to understand phase. So here we have 0, or silence, plus 1 is the curve going up, -1 is the curve going down. So when a speaker isn't playing, it's in its resting state, here. Now when speakers start reading audio, the +1 is the speaker pushing out, and the -1 is the speaker going back in, because speakers push air to generate sound. And ideally, it returns to the 0 point whenever audio is not playing. For example, at the end of our 808, when it gets quiet, the silent end of it ends at the 0 point. Sometimes when you cut a sample, this is what happens. As you can see in my expertly drawn 808, the waveform never reached the resting state, or the 0 line. Now what does that mean? If this is sound over time, the speaker's going out and in and out, and it stops. So what this means is the speaker, right at this moment, this is where the click happens, because the speaker, naturally when it's not moving, is over here, but you stopped it here. So it's trying to be here and there at the same time, which is physically impossible, which causes that click. Now how to fix this? In FL Studio, you'll have a declicking mode, or you can just fade out the sample. You can click the corner of the sample and drag it inward, and that'll create a fade, thus bringing the waveform to 0 to get rid of the click. Hope that helped. Follow me for more tips.